Morning, afternoon, and night. It's CBS 42 weather around the clock. Brought to you by Southern Home Structural Specialists. Now, the latest forecast from the CBS 42 Storm Team.
And a good evening to you, Chief Meteorologist Dave Nussbaum here. We are looking at some quiet weather out here this evening, but we are talking about needing to be weather aware on Tuesday from 4 p.m. till 2 a.m. early Wednesday. Storms will be moving through, likely some individual ones at first, and then a line of storms that can produce damaging winds, hail, possibility of maybe a few tornadoes, as well as some flash flooding concerns across the area. Now, the greatest chance will be over here where there's the level 3 out of 5 enhanced risk. Notice it does go from I-59 to the north here, and that's where the greater chance of severe weather will be, as well as the better chance for maybe a few tornadoes and some damaging winds. There's still a chance in the yellow and green here for, again, the slight and marginal risks, but threats a little bit lower in those regions as we head into Tuesday evening. Best timing for you here from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. there, you can see a line from about Aliceville, Fayette, Jasper, Coleman to the northwest. From 8 p.m. to midnight there from Utah, Greensboro, Tuscaloosa, Northport, Alabaster, Pelham, Birmingham, Hoover, back toward Homewood, Gadsden area, back to, say, St. Clair County there, back toward Aniana as well, and 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. off to the southeast from there. So here's a look at futurecast. You'll see out there tonight, all those storms you see back in Oklahoma, they move their way to the north. Do not have to worry about these. This is 7 a.m. Tuesday morning. We are dry. As we head throughout the morning into lunchtime, all the storms are up here in Nashville, nothing down here. Early afternoon, still nothing really down in central Alabama through 4 o'clock. So the kids going to school, no problems. Going to work, no problems. Coming home from school, looking good too. They're going to watch these storms back here to the west. From Greenville back to the Memphis area, though, that line will be coming into our state just about 7, 8 o'clock in the evening. Those will be strong to severe. That's the ones we need to watch out for. So by 11 o'clock, it's already from Greensboro, Brent, Alabaster, Birmingham area toward Gadsden and Anniston. By midnight, they're down in the Clanton area, and by 2 a.m. down to Montgomery, and our threat's over as we head at that point. And then as we go on into the rest of Wednesday morning, clear skies expected out there, and look at this, beautiful weather throughout the day on Wednesday. Now, once this passes by, notice the winds coming out of the northwest here, drier, less humid air coming in, so that's going to draw down some cooler air. Now, the coolest air stays just to our north, but just enough coming into the area here. We'll have high temperatures in the 70s by Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Lows will be down in the 40s and 50s. How about that? That sounds pretty nice and comfortable here for the latter part of May. So what does that mean for the SEC baseball tournament? Well, the first 3 games on Tuesday look good. The last game, Game 4 on Tuesday, we'll have to watch closely. It might be able to start the game, but ending it may be delayed. The way things look, that's something the SEC will have to figure it out on Tuesday. Wednesday through Friday, wonderful weather. Saturday and Sunday, there is a chance of a few storms, but nothing too significant. But look at these high temperatures, upper 70s, mid 70s there for Friday. Feeling great. The early games will be nice and cool. Same for the late games. So take a look here. You'll see what I'm talking about. We are looking at, again, the weather aware for Tuesday. Nice, less humid, fantastic. You pick the adjective through Friday. Few storms there Saturday and Sunday. Highs go from the 70s to the 80s with muggy weather continuing on Monday. And that's a look at your weather around the clock.